Every evening a small child walked to the edge of a quiet stream carrying a simple paper boat made with care and patience, and he gently placed it on the water while the sun slowly went down. People often passed by and smiled, thinking it was just a game, but the child believed the boat was carrying his dreams forward. The stream moved softly, and the paper boat traveled day after day, sometimes getting wet, sometimes slowing down, but never stopping. One evening the paper boat reached a far place where a tired and lonely man was sitting by the water. He picked up the boat and stared at it for a long time, remembering how he once had dreams, 2 dreams he had forgotten because life became heavy. Holding that small paper boat made him feel lighter, and for the first time in a long while he smiled. He stood up and decided to try again the next day with new hope. The child never knew where his boat went, but his small act quietly changed a life and showed that even the smallest dream, when sent with hope, can reach the right heart at the right time.